G'day everybody. Today I want to introduce a new product that Australian Off-Road's picked up. We've got sole distribution for this product. It's a German designed and manufactured product that's set up to help you with your parking when you're travelling around Australia. We all know that whenever you pull up, you want to make sure the trailer's level so you can get a decent night's sleep so you're not sliding from one side to the other side. This product allows you to do that without having to guess trying to back up ramps and all those sorts of things. A lot of people buy airbags suspension so they can do this leveling in a really easy way. This new product's going to allow you to do that, and it's going to cost a lot less. Let's have a quick look at one. It's called a flat jack. Looks like this. Pretty easy to travel with, doesn't take up much room. But what it does is it allows you to then be able to park the trailer and lift the trailer to level the trailer, as simple as pumping it up. So let's have a look at how it works. You ready? All we do initially is you've backed up to a certain part of the trailer. Instead of arguing with your partner, we just put the flat jack under there. And what we do, just back her up, back her up, back her up. Keep coming, here, stop there. We stop there. We want to now level the trailer. All we do is we take off the cap, put our little compressor on, and pump her up. Now this can pump up to about 22 psi, which for this particular flat jack 2.0 would be about 200 mil all the way up. Now, we know in most campsites you're not going to need 200 mil. You're probably going to need 50, maybe 60 or 70 mil. So it's going to do well. It's going to well and truly suit most situations. In most circumstances, it's probably going to be enough to level the trailer. But we're going to keep going just to show you how far. So that can go up to about 22 psi. It's only sitting at about 15 psi at the moment. You can see how far it's already gone up. So that gives you some insight. Now, a lot of people buy airbags, spend a lot of money on airbag systems for the parking situation. You can grab one of these now and you can do exactly the same as what a set of airbags can do to level the trailer so that you've got a nice comfortable sleep during the night.